Welcome to a do-it-yourself repair. Today, we're replacing a car fuel filter. Skill level is intermediate. Let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect the battery first and carefully release the system pressure. This can be done using a fuel gauge attached to the fuel rail or manually pressing the Schrader valve also located on your fuel rail, but be careful as there is up to 60 psi of pressure there. Then locate the fuel filter. It's usually under the car along the fuel line. Disconnect the fuel lines attached to the fuel filter and remove the clamps or fittings carefully to avoid spills. You may need a fuel line quick disconnect tool to disconnect the fuel line. Then remove the old filter. Slide it out from its mount. Then install the new filter. Make sure the flow arrow points the right way. After that, reconnect the filter and test. Reconnect the battery and start the engine, and check for leaks. And that's it. Your fuel filter is replaced, keeping your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching.